Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to start my presentation with the clue given by Mr. Pathak, how the innovation is taking place. He mentioned that Apple used to be known as fruit, now it is more famous with the iPhone. Likewise, BlackBerry used to be the fruit, now it's the BlackBerry smartphone. Mango used to be the fruit, now the Windows 7.5 is coming with the smartphone. Banana used to be fruit, now it is the Android OS 1.1. Now ice cream sandwich used to be the food item, now it is known as the Android OS 4.0. Like tablet used to be the medicine tablets, now it is known as the mobile version. Technology used to be earlier on the PC and the desktop, now it has come on the mobile and tablets. So I would like to give a small presentation about the GIPL, how we have done this innovations in government of Gujarat. GIPL is a 100% subsidiary of Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation, is the state PSU, and is the IT arm of government of Gujarat. Government of Gujarat has issued a GR that any department is found, they wants to have any IT work, they can give it to us on nomination basis, no tender is required for that purpose. We are A category license, ISP license holder, providing about 300 Mbps bandwidth to the various corporation and the state government departments. We have the employee strength of about 450 employees. We have our own world-class data center where many of the departments are hosting their services, applications, servers, etc. We are the total solution provider for many government organizations like GUVNL, it's the electricity board. Earlier, about 10 years ago, we did it unbundling. They were having the huge amount losses of about 800 crore, now they are in profit. We implemented as TSP the commercial tax, the VAT implementation we did it about 7 years ago. RTO, we implemented the Sarthi and Vahan software. We implemented that check post and we are operating the check post also. Gujarat Forest Department, we created the MIS for them. Agriculture Department, Tourism Department, Water Department, Education Department, Handloom and universities, etc. We are the total solution provider. We are providing the ERP services. We have implemented the SAP or Oracle for the GUVNL, GMDC, GSPC, Sabarmati Gas, GSPC Gas, BECL, GIPCL, etc., etc. Software, we have created the MIS for the Forest Department where the entire thing are on the mobile, they can fill that MIS. Likewise, agriculture, we developed the MIS. For Gujarat Seed, also we developed the MIS system. Gujarat Livelihood Promotion Company, we developed that MIS. Education Board, we have developed their student registration, teacher registration, school registration, and we are hosting their examination results for last 8 years. And you can imagine in 1 hour, we have to handle 1.2 crore hits. So we are managing that kind of hits in 2 hours. Then university management system, we have given for the 2 universities. One is the Pandit Deendayal Petroleum University. We have created this university our own. We have spent about 200 crore rupees there. And I was founder registrar and financial controller for that. And Mr. Mukesh Ambani is the chairperson for that. So we have the 10 universities collaboration with them. In one class, 275 students used to be there. The teacher used to ask that attendance please, a small device will that student has to push that button, the attendance is there. Likewise, the grading is also done through that small device only. Likewise, we did this concept to convocation for Saurashtra University and 2-3 other universities also. For Gujarat Tourism Development Corporation, we have developed 3 devices. The moment you land up into the Ahmedabad, you can go to the counter and you can download the apps, and if you want to go Somnath or any Dwarika or any place, you can get that route, etc., and the location, everything you will find there. Likewise, very soon we are going to organize the Ranotsav. The online booking is there. You can book those online tents, etc., AC tents through your mobile. Then BRTS, we have operated the Ahmedabad BRTS, which is one of the best BRTS. Mr. Nayan will endorse this view, and now we are going to operate very soon the Rajkot BRTS also. And we are not only providing the software, but we are providing the trained manpower also for 3 to 5 years to take care of those things. Some of the examples are GUVNL, commercial tax, RTO, forest, and other government departments we are managing ourselves. Regarding network side, we have our own bandwidth capacity, website development, web hosting, and ISMS implementation, IPS, CA, etc. we are implementing. We have our own developed software, pipeline asset management, which takes care of from the day one the pipeline is started, and the all leak detection system for the oil and gas pipeline as well as the water management. Now I am talking about the innovation made by the GIPL specifically. For forest department, we created a smartphone surveillance system. All beat guards of the forest department, they have been provided a smartphone, and now at the central control command center, I am monitoring the position of those beat guards in jungle, whether they are at the post or not. And if they see any offense happening, they have to just click a button and the photo will come to my central server with lat long, and immediately the action can be taken, the alert will be generated. Likewise, if any tiger or any lion falls into the well, they will send a photo with lat long and immediately the rescue team will be there. So we have won the award also for this application. Now we have given the tablet based one Talavadi scheme for the agriculture department. We used to give 1 lakh rupees subsidiary to a farmer who is having a pond in his farm. So now the inspector has to go to the field, he has to make a pentagon and he has to send a photo of the water body along with the lat long, then only the farmer will be entitled for the 1 lakh subsidy. Likewise, crop certifying system, again the inspector has to go to the field and he has to certify the crop is there or not. That will help the insurance claims, etc. Similarly, the tablet based seed certification, the seed certification corporation, they are selling the seeds to the farmers. The inspector has to go to the field and whether the crop is there or not, he will certify through that tablet. Then similar, as I spoke to you about the mobile based system for the tourism, it's all tourism department that is available on the mobile. Very soon we are going to start the e-challan system where the traffic person will be having a small device with him, a smartphone kind of thing, and he has to, if he sees any offense happening with the driver, he will verify his driving license and the registration book, and immediately SMS will come from the central server because we have already created a state registry, and we are the first state who has created the state registry for all vehicle registration as well as the driving license, etc. Then he can charge the fine by the credit card or online system, whatever the way the person wants to make the payment, and the amount will be deposited into the treasury in next day. Likewise, very soon we are going to start the connecting all 350 temple of Gujarat, where all e-Aarti and e-Darshan will happen. And Somnath is already started. Even a person sitting in US, he will call the Pujari, he will give his all name, gotras, etc. and the Pujari will send him a link at particular time. He can see his puja will be started there and he can watch that lively. This is the photo of award where we have got this Innovation Telecom Award by the Dr. Hamadraam. He is the General Secretary of International Telecom Union. It was in May 2012, and GCA also gave this Best ICT Award in Gujarat in February 2012.